After you're done slicing your watermelon, you just want to come in and you want to get rid of all of the outside of the watermelon so you're left with the juicy center. Oof, I can tell it is just perfectly ripe. I love watermelon in the summer, is so delicious. Okay, so we have these juicy squares. We're just cutting off all of the edges here. This is gonna be a really good, tasty summer treat. Super healthy and really, really refreshing. All right, let's just get the last one here. We are almost through. Just quickly cutting off those edges there. Great. Here I have a really nifty French fry cutter, and I'm gonna get rid of that very end here. And you can see that this is like really easy to cut this watermelon right here. All I'm doing is pushing down, and this cutter is making these cute little French fry cuts right on our watermelon. Okay, so that's it. This is super easy so far. We're just going through and we're cutting all of the watermelon into these slices. Now, of course, if you don't have a French fry cutter, you can always just do it with a knife. Or, you know, I'm not sure, do you have any other ideas on how to make these into a crinkle shape? But let me tell you what, at the same time, French fry cutters are really, really cool, and you can do a lot of different things. I think this is like, what, $7 or something you can find it for at the store. So that's it. We're making these watermelon squares into some long French fry shapes using our French fry cutter. Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, we are off to a great start. Look at how cute these look. I'm gonna take them right here and I'm gonna place them on this adorable watermelon tray here. Yum. Oh my goodness, my kids are gonna love these. They're playing outside right now and they are just going to go crazy over these things. This watermelon looks juicy. Oh, let's come over here. We need to make some really good dipping stuff for this watermelon. We are gonna start by grabbing some strawberries. Look at how juicy and red those are. Let's just go ahead and plop those right in there. Now, here I have a little bit of honey. You can see it says desert honey. I just got this from the local farmer's market, but any honey will do just fine. And you're just gonna wanna grab a nice big spoonful. Ooh, this honey is so good. And I'm just gonna drizzle that all right in there. Look at that honey and the way that it coats those strawberries. Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks like candy. Yummy. Now to add to that, I have a little bit of Greek yogurt. I enjoy using the Greek yogurt because it's a little bit thicker in consistency. And honestly, I really love this brand. I went with honey vanilla, which is going to pair so good right here with this extra honey and these strawberries. So I added about a cup of yogurt right in there, and we're gonna place our lid on and let's blend this up. Oh, it smells so good. I love adding those fresh strawberries to that right there. Grab yourself those delicious watermelon fries that you cut up. Your strawberry dipping sauce, we'll just go ahead and pour that right in there. Wow, that looks delicious. Yum. Okay, we're gonna place this right in the center here of our serving tray. Wow, you guys, look at this. I'm gonna take this big, chunky little watermelon fry. I'm gonna give it a dip right here into this dipping strawberry yogurt. Ooh, with a little extra honey. Mmm. Yum, delicious. Great for a sunny day. Wow, the honey in the yogurt really brings it out. It tastes so good with the juicy watermelon. You guys, an easy, fun, summer, delicious treat. And look at how cute that is. Who wouldn't want to devour that? All right, you guys, enjoy. Let me know what you think of this. And yeah, go get yourself a nice big juicy watermelon.